Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the Potomac Beads treasure box for July of 2026. And instead of sending us the usual Potomac Beads box that they sent us this really cute little bag. It says USA on it, America themed, with a little free mix and everything. If you're not familiar with the Potomac Beads, this is priced monthly at $39.99. If you price it quarterly, it's $34.99, so you save $60 a year. If you price it annually, it's $29.99, so you save $120 a year. I have a coupon code. I will leave it below because it's kind of long, for 15% off your first order with them. So let's see what is in here. Okay, we got a little koozie, Potomac Beads koozie. This is cute. You put your drink in there, or a beer, or a wine cooler, whatever you guys drink. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got a lot of goodies in this one. Okay, so here is this. So I'm going to put this to the side. And something extra. This is called Spirit of 76 Treasure Box. Celebrate a historic milestone with the Spirit of 76 Treasure Box, curated with a sophisticated red, white, and blue palette to honor 250 years of heritage without overwhelming your style. Inside, you'll discover a premium array of materials, including sparkling Potomac crystal disco balls, elegant pearl drops, rich Czech vintage buttons, and timeless Athena cast findings. Designed for ultimate creative freedom, this collection combines versatile seed beads, unique shaped glass, and memory wire to help you weave history into stunning heirloom quality jewelry designs. Okay. Grab a PC koozie. Oh, okay. There's a little thing there. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, so we got, oh, these are pretty. These are the disco balls. Garnet. Yes. Oh, these, I love getting these endless rings. These are so much fun to work with. Okay, let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm starting with the bead mix, the Mambo Fuego, I think it says. It's a free gift, and it's just got a little bit of pops of orange and kind of like a yellowish orange, and just some really cute beads. These would be really cute. These would make cute little charms if you like, you know, just get a little head pin and dangle those, or you could make a pair of earrings with these, but they're really cute. Okay, so now we're gonna start with the Potomac Crystal Disco Beads, Garnet AB 8mm, package of 12. So these are really pretty. Oh, so beautiful. What is it about beads that we get so excited? Is it the color? Is it the sparkle? Is it the texture? I have no clue. I get so excited when I see beads. These are so pretty. And then next we have a clasp garden fancy toggle clasp, 15 by 22mm, 1-strand, real 23 karat gold plated. So this is cute. It has a little sea theme, kind of like a boat. So this is really cute. And next, I always love when they send these, the Potomac Crystal Ingot Beads, blue zircon AB 4 by 8mm, package of 18. So these are just, for the sparkle on them. So much fun. Okay, and next, I don't know if you can totally see these. These are the Miyuki Delica Beads White Pearl Cellian 11Os. I put these in the little thing, but you know, they're delicas. They're mostly like the other ones, but they're really pretty. And next are the drop duo beads in white blue flare, 3x6mm, package of 25. And if you look, like half of it is white and then the other half like has a little bit of an AB finish to it. And they're 2-hole. So I don't know if I can show you. Like here's, you can see that. So there's 2 holes. So these would be really fun to work with. They're really tiny, but these would be really fun. As you can make a flower with these or something, and they have I love that coating on them. Next are the Czech shell beads in alabaster. Hole goes down the middle there. It's the same on both sides. Oh, look how pretty they are. They're so white. So pretty. A fun bead. I've never seen it like this. Both sides with that little curve. Like kind of like a vine to them. Okay, and next we have the 2-hole tile beads in blue Picasso. Package of 36. Yeah, I love me a Picasso bead. He's my favorite artist too, so. But yeah, so these are really pretty. I love that finish on them. Oh, so pretty. Okay. And next, we have the Potomac Crystal Brillettes Opal AB 5x8mm, package of 12. So these have that little hole at the top, at the point. They have that little hole that goes through. Look at how sparkly these are. Look how pretty that is. These would be really pretty. Okay, and then next we have the Athena Cast Perfect Form Endless Rings 40mm Rose Premium 24 karat gold plated, package of 2. And I absolutely love these because you could bead around them, you could dangle things from them, you know, make them as a really cool pendant. There's so much you can do with these. So we've gotten these before and I absolutely love them. Okay, and next are the Czech Glass Vintage Buttons. And these are fun. Look at those. Oh, I love that little square. And look at that. How cool is that? Okay. And then next we have Potomac Pearl Drop Beads White 6x9mm half strand. It says package of 50, but I know there's not 50 in here. So there's probably 25 in here if it's a half strand. So let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 20. No, there's 22 in here. At least 22 I got. But I love the drop look on them. These are pretty for earrings or just for, you know, making a pendant and then putting these on the outsides of them. So we have those. And then next we have Miyuki Seed Beads Silver Lined Crystal 15 O's. I don't know if you can see those. Very pretty, very tiny. And then next we have Potomac Beads Crystal Round Beads in crystal. So those are, they're not really sparkly. Like there's little pops of sparkle, but not a lot because they're not faceted, but they're pretty. Okay, and next we have Czech Glass Pressed Squares Red and Crystal. So there's one hole going down the middle. These are always fun. They look like candy. You know, like little squares of candy, like you would get her like little gum or something. I don't remember that as a kid. I used to get gum that kind of looked like this. Lord knows what the chemicals were in it. But that's really pretty. Next we have Czech glass bicone beads in aqua swirl, 8mm. So, oh, look at these, so pretty. We get these a lot, different colors, and oh, they're so pretty. I love these. Love working with these. They got a little bit of weight to them too. So we have those. And then next we have quartz beads, gemstone fire cherry quartz beads in 8mm. So these are, look at these. Just a couple totally off colored ones, but you know, that's the thing when you get gemstones. They're not perfect because they're not man-made. So these are pretty. I love this one. This one is really cool. You can see it kind of turning it a little bit if you can. It's almost like when you can look through it, but yes, there's a little bit of like a coating or something. It's really cool. And then next we have, this is adorable. Athena Cast Bead Charm Octopus Large Hole, 16x14mm. Look how cute. So the hole is in the top of his head. Oh, how cute is that? And it's the same on both sides. Oh my gosh, he's adorable. I'm gonna call him Henry. That's his new name, Henry. Okay, and then we have the koozie, which I showed you at the beginning, which is perfect. Too bad it's right past the 4th of July. And last but not least, we have some memory wire. Gold-plated memory wire, 2 1/4 diameter. There's 12 loops. So this is a really cool box. I love the theme. Even though it's red, white, and blue, there's still other colors to it. There's a lot you can do with this. I think these two are my favorite. But then Henry's really cute too. I think these two are my favorite. I love that. These are gorgeous. I can't wait to work with this box. So like I said, I have a coupon code in the description below, and for 15% off your first order with them. Check out their website. I'll leave links below to that as well as all my social media. And if you do not follow me, I would love for you to follow me and become a subscriber. I have lots of good videos coming up, and just so much that I have planned. I have a memo book just of planned things that I want to make. And so check it out, and definitely follow me and take this journey with me. And I appreciate each and every one of you that subscribe to my channel, and you comment all the time, and you watch my videos. I wouldn't be able to do this without you. So thank you so much, and have a great day.